Hello world and welcome to my channel. This video is on another table I'm making for my camping setup, and see which one ends up being the better one. I think this one's going to be it, and I'll show you roughly how I'm doing it. Well, I hope you like this video. Please give me a thumbs up and subscribe. Cheers. Well, it begins with the trip to Bunnings Warehouse. Okay, the panels are a spec bright multi-use temper panel, and the one I got is called Acacia Golden 1200 by 405 by 18mm. It's the darkest one they sell here at Bunnings, and it will get darker when you treat it. Now, with all these panels, they should be treated with oil, wax or lacquer before use. So they do state it on the back of the label here. You turn it over and you also go to the website, and you can tell you exactly on the website from spec right panels how to treat them. So that's the way to do it. Yeah, while I was at Bunnings, I picked up a pack of sanding sheets, and I wanted P240 grit, recommended grit to use on it. Also picked up some Cabothane clear, which is water-based polyurethane. I call it polyurethane, satin. Easy to work with. A decent brush. Didn't lose any hairs. Yeah, I picked up 4 of these eye plates. 4 of them. I got 2 packs of these, and there's 2 in each pack. And I got some chain, 3mm by 2.5 meters of chain, stainless steel chain. Doesn't have to be stainless steel, but what the heck. Well, the idea behind it is you sand the timber with the 280 grit, get rid of the dust, wipe the dust off, get rid of it all, and then give it 3 coats of polyurethane water-based enamel lacquer, sanding between coats. But it depends how what effect you want. I wanted a tiny bit rougher than normal, so I didn't sand it that much. So the idea now is to put one about there, another one about there, and then the other 2 I've got of these are going to go up on top of the canopy, and the chain's going to hold it up. I ordered these online from my ute. Yeah, so it's a kit you get for the hinge drop sides. You get the rubber grommet through there, you get the metal hinge plate, and you get the other part that goes through it. Now, I don't want that part. And you get a little, also you get a little split pin, cotter pin. I've got a couple of scratches on it already, but anyway, I'll do another coat later. But yeah. So that next job is to position it where you want it. So I'll be cooking in this area. I can operate my, it doesn't go out too far, which is what I want. It was knocking over dishes before in the other system. So, and I need the chains to go up. The chains are going to go from here up here. So that's what I might do, is get a chain and hook it up onto somewhere here. Yeah, that's the idea, and the other chain will go from here up to the canopy up there. So you just got to work out where you want it. As I said, I'll probably give another sand, another varnish, once I have it in position, yeah, I just had to pack it out the correct distance and then clamp it, and then I've got 2 stainless steel screws, 1 on either side. I'll finish it off in a minute. Yeah, I'm just putting these on now, pre-drilling the holes. I've got the screws under here done. I can always change them later. And then I'm going to put the chain up. Yeah, this is one side done. I left a little bit of chain for adjustment if I needed it. I don't want it there. So it's got a clip-on end there and a clip-on end here. And I've got a level, and it's within the lines of the level just here. So it's where I want it. Okay, well this is the end product. Got a little bit of adjustment left up there. I always want a little bit of adjustment in it. So, but it's level. You look at the level here. It's well within the lines on the level. You can see it there. So it's a level. This cement is level. Probably in a slight download slope, but only but it's level. So that's chains up there. Hopefully they don't get in the way too much. And it's screwed up into the top of the one of the supports up there, and screwed into there with these everything's stainless. So that's stainless, that's stainless, and that's stainless. Just go over here, have a look, and that's done the same thing. Up there, up there, up there, with a bit of adjustment there. So that's the table. I'm just going to have, all I'm going to do in next weekend is probably just put another couple of coats of polyester on it. Yeah, packing away is pretty easy. You just take the carabiners off, unclip them, put them in this pocket I got up here. Oh, that's why I left the gap here, so I can get my hands in here and take it off like that. And then I just store it in the car, up where the other ones go. So at the moment I'm just putting it in the back, like that. If I want to lock the ute up, I can still drop them down and leave it hanging. Well, thank you for watching this video. If you do like this video, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe. Cheers.